Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur'Ain binti Muhammad Fikri. My matrix number is 2019686416. So I will continue to teach you how to calculate the median.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur'Ain binti Jafizi. I'm from CS110 4G and my matrix number is 2019261334.
Assalamualaikum, hi, my name is bin Zaimi. I'm from class CS110 4G.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanifah binti Yusuf.
Question for set J. The table below shows the total expenditure on stationeries of 70 students from University A for the recent semester. So the table shows of total expenditure and number of students. So we have to find mean, median, mode, and standard deviation of the data. So to find mean, we have to use this formula, which is total sum of fx divided by total sum of f, which is f means frequency and x means midpoint for each classes. So how to find f? We just collect from number of students and we just adding all the numbers and we get 70. And for fx, we just have to multiply f with midpoints and we get 440, and adding all the numbers we get 5370. So back to this formula, we just divide 5370 and 70. So we just calculate one calculator, 5370 divided by 70. So we get 76.71. So this is the answer for mean.
So before you start calculate the median, you need to complete the table, which is you need to know the midpoint, cumulative frequency, class boundary, FX, and last one is FX square. So for the midpoint, you need to divide by 2 the total of expenditure. For cumulative frequency, you need to add on 8 with 16 and then you get 24, plus by 21 you get 45 until the last answer 70. So 70 is the total of number of students. So for fx, you need to multiply 55 with 8, which is midpoint, times 2 number of students, and then you get the answer. And for the total, you just need to plus all of this. And for fx square, you need to calculate fx times to midpoint x, and then you get the answer. Same with this. For the total, you just need to plus all of this. And for the next step, you need to use the formula. Step number 1, you need to find median position and median class, which is n divided by 2. N is 70 divided by 2 equal to 35. And then step number 2, by using the formula, you just need to deliver the information from the table and just calculate like usual, and then you get the last answer. The median is 76.875. So this is the last answer.
For this question, for how to do in mode, first we look at the formula. Mode L plus bracket Fn minus F1 divided by bracket Fm minus F1 bracket plus bracket Fm minus F2 and close bracket and H. So how to find the Fm? So we look at the student, we look at the highest. Fm is the highest for to find the Fm. So the Fm is 21. So the F1 is 16 because the second highest, and with F2 is the lowest for the student, we have to find is 5. So L we find from the 21, the highest, from the total expenditures. And H we find 80 minus 70, we get 10. So we can use the formula and just take the number and key in the formula. So 70 plus bracket 21 minus 16 and divide by 21 minus 16 close bracket plus bracket 21 minus 5 bracket H we find as 10. So 10. So we get 70 plus bracket 55 divided by 21 close bracket and 10. So 5 over 21, we we multiply by 10. So we get 2.38. So after we get the 2.38, we must plus 70. So we get 72.38. So this is mood how to do the in mood. Thank you.
To find standard deviation, we're going to use this formula. To use this formula, first we need to find the midpoint. To get the midpoint, we need to total these two numbers, which is 50 and 60, then divide by 2. We need to use the same method for all of the rest of it. After got all the midpoint, we need to multiply the midpoint with the frequency to get this. To get this, then you need to, this answer will be to the power of 2, and then you will get this, all of this. You need to sum out the frequency for n. Then you need to sum out this to get fx. You need to sum out this all to get fx to the power of 2. Then you will replace it. Then you will get the total, the standard deviation, which is 14.14. Thank you.